Hey, this tutorial is going to show you how to get to Seesaw and complete activities on Seesaw through ClassLink. So once you come to ClassLink, you're going to find the Seesaw icon. It is this icon right here. It's going to say Seesaw. So you click on it, and it is going to bring you to your journal page. It's not going to look exactly like this, but you are going to find activities. Find the activities tab. And your activities are going to be over here. So I'm going to click on one, and I'll be the sample student. And it's going to bring you to a page that looks like this. And here you can draw, eraser, and you can also move things. So for this particular assignment, you're going to move the blend to fit the correct word. And so once you're done with everything, you're going to click the green check, and it will be added, and I will be able to view your work. And that is that.